Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a checkmark icon or shape into diagrams and flowcharts on Draw.io. So let us guide you through this. So what you want to do, guys, is there are two options. So what you want to do is navigate to a diagram page, and option number one would be to use the shape feature and to add the checkmark icon from there. So to do that, expand the basic shapes here on the left hand side, scroll down and select the checkmark icon, and now you can resize it, for example, position it, connect it with other elements like you do here on Draw.io. That's option number one. Option number two would be to enable the manual drawing and to draw the checkmark icon. To do that, navigate to arrange, hover mouse over insert, and enable the manual drawing here. You may also use the shortcut X for that, and after that simply use your mouse to draw a checkmark icon like this. You can customize the brush here, choose a different color, the brush thickness. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.